DC Tech Minute for July 7th, 2014. I'm your host, Frank Lavinia, and I have the clock to keep me honest. Last week was certainly a very newsworthy week here in DC Tech. President Obama visited 1776. Incidentally, in this picture here, you see him signing in to 1776, and the app was written by yours truly. The visit also got attention from the New York Times and the Washington Post. I was actually at the White House the week before last attending a data jam hosted by Vice President Joe Biden. Joe Biden actually decided to stop by and pay all the attendees a visit. Here's a picture of yours truly hanging out with the Vice President. Next week is the Microsoft World Partner Conference, and it's basically an event that brings in Microsoft partners from all around the world here to the nation's capital. Expect to see some coverage here on DC Tech Minute next week, as well as my other channel, Frank's World TV. As this is a Monday following a 3-day weekend, I thought I'd kick off the week with a little bit of inspiration for this quote I saw on Twitter. Thanks, and have a great day.